Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to duplicate blocks in a WordPress blog post. As you can see, I'm into my WordPress admin dashboard, and here in the left side there is an option of post, and as I move my cursor on the post, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us having option of all post, add post, categories and tags, right? If you want to edit a pre-existing blog post written by you, then you can simply click on all post, whereas if you want to create a new post, then you can simply click on add post. Here we are going to select the all post because I want to edit a pre-written blog post so that you can easily understand how to duplicate any blog in WordPress blog post, right? As you can see, lots of blog posts are getting displayed over here written by me, and as soon as I move my cursor on any of the blog post title, then automatically the edit option starts appearing, right? I will click on this edit button under the blog post title, and as you can see, we are into the blog post editor, right? And here if you want to duplicate any block, right, then you just need to click on that particular block. As you can see, I have placed my cursor in the end of the text in this block, right? And now automatically this particular toolbar appears in front of you on the top of this block, right? And you just need to click on this triple dot, right? That is of option in that particular toolbar, and when we click on this triple dot, then automatically drop down menu appears in front of us where we can simply select the duplicate, and as soon as we select the duplicate, our block gets duplicated, right? So this is how. Let me tell you again. For example, if I select this image block, then again that particular toolbar appear in front of me above that particular image, right? And here from this toolbar we need to click on this triple dot, and when we click on this, the duplicate option is over here in the menu, and when we click the duplicate, then automatically this particular blocks get duplicated. Now let me remove it back. So I have clicked on triple dot, and now I will click on delete. Make sure this particular toolbar will only appear when you will click in the block, right? Else it won't appear in front of you. For example, I just want to duplicate this block, so I have clicked this block, I have selected this block, and now here you can see the toolbar has been appeared, right? And here we need to click on again these triple dots, and here we can click on duplicate, and this block has been duplicated. So this is how you can duplicate a block if you want a same block to appear many times in your WordPress blog post, right? Apart from it, if you want to learn more about WordPress, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit to our blog and read articles related to WordPress. And if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.